Hi, I'm Dr. Shabazz, Indian River High School's public speaking coach. First block, I teach photojournalism. Second block, I teach public speaking. And fourth block, I have English 9. I've been teaching since 1997. This is my 25th year. I was also awarded Teacher of the Year for the very first time. So it's been a good season so far. I enjoy teaching. I love teaching. I have fun every day. And I look forward to engaging with students daily. I email every day the lesson for the day, all of the objectives. Students get an email in addition to the assignments posted on Schoology each and every day. So anytime a student is absent, or if they just want to see what the assignment is prior to getting to class, they can always check their email or look at Schoology. I am so happy to be your child's instructor, and I look forward to having a wonderful and successful semester. Braves are who we are, and rise is what we do.